Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel on real home product reviews and do-it-yourself jobs. I'm a cheapskate handyman wannabe trying to save y'all time and money out there. In this video, we're going to be seeing if a little car wax will increase gas mileage. We'll be taking this van across the country and not doing exactly a scientific experiment, but hopefully giving you an idea of if this wax works or not. Now, to apply the wax, I'll put a link in the description below for the stuff that I like to use, but we will be applying it just like this. It's got a little sponge applicator, and it's pretty simple. You just take some and you just kind of wipe it on. Just like that. Get it nice and kind of not too thick, but you definitely want a little bit on there, just like you can see in the video there. And we are gonna rub this on the front of the car, all over the hood, around the license plate. Now you can put this on chrome, so I'll be applying it to the paint and to the chrome. I'm gonna put it on the rear view mirrors and around back, so that airflow around back, around the spoiler. Actually, this is a minivan, so it's got a spoiler designed for airflow to help improve the airflow as it comes off as you're moving to increase gas mileage. So we are going to be applying it and letting it dry as per the instructions. And then we'll take a rag, and with single swipes like this, we will be kind of getting it off, right? Brushing it off in a way, or wiping it off. Whatever verb you prefer to use there. Okay, and look at it shine and sparkle. Now the idea here is that it's going to reduce wind resistance because it's slippery. We're also putting it, of course, on top of the windshield on the paint there, right up to the base of the sunroof. Okay, anywhere where the wind's basically going to hit it. I am not applying it to the windshield. Okay, so here's kind of what it looks like after. Nice and shiny. All right, so the big question, does this wax improve gas mileage? Well, it's not a scientific experiment, as I mentioned before, but going from A to B, several hundred miles, we were pulling about 23 miles per gallon. Going back from B to A, reversing the trip, we were pulling about 25 miles per gallon, as you can see here. Can I specifically control for this being the wax? Could it be the terrain? Could it be the weight? Of course, but my conclusion is the wax does improve slightly your gas mileage. So hopefully this video has been helpful. For more do-it-yourself projects and home product reviews, be sure to subscribe. Thanks.